Hello guys, welcome. So, do you know Diamond? I don't. So I'm watching my first video. Hold on. Let's start.
Check out what I bought for our trip to Legoland.
Ooh, Legoland. I want to go there.
How do you think you your mom to go? I thought you were grounded.
Wait, he was grounded? How?
But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests.
Any test?
Such a genius. You can at least
Use the trackers, not your fingers. He is not scared of Gene.
Ow! You almost blew the fire alarm.
Morning, boys.
Then
What you got there?
I see where this is going, guys. I see where this is going. So he almost pulled the firearm. It is kind of kid pulls fire. I must get test. So I bet you he's gonna pull the firearm. Okay, now it's
Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this?
mystery.
It's a surprise.
Let's find a pop quiz.
Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Well,
Probably. But I gotta find some way to get out of it.
don't.
That was easy. Yeah, didn't you do it?
This is my first Iron Man video, but this wasn't the first one.
I gotta get out of this test somehow.
How?
Go again. I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
True, guys, true.
Maybe I can pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway.
Don't you dare.
Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke up.
Yeah, guys. Oh, it's an ad. Yeah. Well, that's happening. I just want to say we need 1 million subscribers. Okay, let's skip the ad now.
Janet, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory? Yeah, dude. That won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious she's faking it.
Wow.
Good morning.
Who's that guy?
So when do you think you'll have it working?
Guys, it's me, Mommy Long Legs.
Great. Thank you so much.
I'm assuming that's the principal.
Mikey, we have to tell you every single time. Running away from problems just makes them worse.
Makes them really worse.
Running away from our problems since first grade. Look where it's gotten me. Where?
I don't see it.
Suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded every single summer.
That's true, that's true. That's really true. I hope he did.
Still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right.
If you're pulling the firearm, yeah, then you're definitely not the coolest kid in school.
There's nothing you can do at this point.
That is true, guys. That is really true.
Look, I'll figure something out.
Do not turn these over just yet.
He's gonna turn it over. What the?
Hey, Mikey, no stress.
What the? Crackers? That guy's right. That's a good lesson. Use the cracker, not your finger. Don't you notice germs? Huggy Wuggy just use it with his hands. No, I don't, Mommy Long Legs. Oh, sorry. Well, he still does.
Last I heard, they haven't figured out
Who it was.
got what? I'm gonna put the phone.
I knew he was in planet. Don't do that ever.
He said the camera won't be
Oh,
working
if there's a guys, if there's a real fire, that's when you pull the firearm. Now he's gonna get in big trouble. It says he lives to regret it, so I wonder how he's gonna regret it. Let's just watch till for that.
What's going a little too far, Mikey? What do they test for fingerprints? I'll pull it with my shirt.
Oh, now he's planning.
I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual...
Yeah, that kid's right. That is a big crime.
Which will never happen.
It's a French fry crime.
Your plans never work. Gee, I said it first.
I said it first.
I'll prove it. Mr. Wilson,
Yes,
can I use the
I'm
bathroom?
not Mr. Wilson. I said yeah.
Thank you.
He's planning it. He's planning it. He's acting a little too sus. Maybe he is gonna get caught. I hope he does. I hope he actually gets caught.
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
He's lying. He's lying.
Oh, yes.
Mommy long legs. I hope you know you can't hear. They can't hear you through the screen. Oh, don't talk, Huggy Wuggy.
One of the toilets overflowed.
One of the toilets. Okay. I bet you the cheese is gonna come at the end of this video. And Nike's gonna try to eat it with his finger, but then he bites himself. I hope that happens. Let's see. He's gonna do it. I know it. Sus boy. Sus boy. Sus boy. Sus boy. This is why I wish schools had better cameras.
Let's go, let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay?
Fire drill. Go, let's go.
All the other
Guys.
is evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
Yeah, he's gonna get caught for sure.
Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz? Can't believe you actually did that. Oh, and
It is a serious
I
crime.
also didn't get caught. Woo! Yeah, not yet. We'll see about that.
Yeah, we'll actually see about that. He's definitely getting caught.
I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
2 seconds ago, because he's lying.
Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Dang, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
No, you weren't. You're lying.
Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are you talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? See, I was thinking about that, bro. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks.
Yes, he's right. He's right. There is more life than just going to amusement
Play without
park.
being caught.
And that's a good lesson from this video.
Problems just makes them worse. Well,
Okay, I relate to Doorman already. And this is my first video I ever watched.
is to stop pulling pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, and your mom might even take away your tablet again.
I'm watching one today, and I watch another one.
All right, well, we're just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Okay.
Well,
This is Captain Stoll.
Captain Store. Ooh, he looks cool.
it's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
He got like the cool jackets.
False alarm. It's not the first time this has happened
Wait.
today, so I need to gather some more
If he's a police officer. I mean, he's a police officer firefighter.
I just handed everybody
Man,
some
his
paperwork.
jacket looks awesome.
What happened at Chesterfield, and then...
Daddy Longlegs never bring me that cool jacket.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson. Of course.
And Baby Longlegs just wears a diaper.
Mikey, the key to the bathroom.
Oh, he's dead. He is toast in the toaster. More like toast in jail.
Down the hall before the
And then I eat the toast.
That's all.
I'm kidding.
All right.
I like to eat player in the game.
Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Show us right now.
You too, Mikey.
We
Why? Because you said you were the last.
I hope he gets caught.
So maybe you could provide.
I hope he gets caught.
Let's go.
I hope he gets caught. If he doesn't get caught, then this is the worst video I ever saw on the whole YouTube universe. Well, okay, so Captain Storms, did you run any? Yes, he's gonna get caught. Yes. Yes. No! That was so close. I wish it. I hope they heard that. Yep, they heard that. You're dead.
I mean,
You're toasting the toaster.
everyone's okay.
Mikey, what else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Whoa.
Let me trace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
That rhymes. That rhymes. That rhymes a lot.
Mikey is explaining
That's
what was
rhymes.
happening. He went to the bathroom.
And then he pulled the fire alarm.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
Yeah, because you're a bad boy.
Well, you see George.
Even though you're lying, because you actually pulled the fire alarm.
That's true. I did tell you.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
Now we can see who the suspect really is.
yes, yes, he's gonna get caught. Yes.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was it?
Mikey, if you
Actually, you were saying a lot of things.
how did you get
Mister.
into the girls' restroom?
You were saying a lot of things. Hold on, my necklace.
There was a girl.
My necklace is messed up.
So I decided to
Well,
sneak
it's
inside.
my...
I'm sorry. That
There we go. It's perfect now.
Oh, that all sounds a little odd.
There we go. It's perfect now.
For someone else, you, young man, are in big trouble.
Yeah, I hope he's in big trouble.
I swear.
He's gonna.
Yes.
Sorry, guys. I was just fixing the camera.
Can you come over and take a look?
Of course.
Yes, yes, yes.
Like, cheese did?
He's caught. He's dead. He's oofed.
Mikey,
He's oofed.
you were eating cheese in my classroom.
Yep, he's dead. He's a toaster in a toaster.
Because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. Use your shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey, how could you do that? Especially after all the way.
See, guys, what happens in the dark always comes to light.
What's gonna happen?
And running from problems will make them worse.
I wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz.
Okay, baby Longlegs never done that.
Game with you all.
A game?
Yeah, a game. No. He just wanted to play bingo.
Mikey, you're coming to my
If you'd stay with him, then you would have way funner than this.
I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer.
No!
How much I appreciate that.
Yes, yes.
Come with us.
Yeah, because it's a crime. It's a crime.
It's a serious crime.
That's what I just said. It's a crime.
Yes, it is. I'm going to take you downtown. Go.
Down.
No.
Yes, 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 yes. He's getting arrested from pulling the alarm on.
What's going on?
Fire alarm.
With my...
Yes.
Pulling the fire alarm.
Alright. No, me,
Yes.
Mom!
Wait, he has a mom.
I was in the neighborhood.
I'm so happy.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Mom, please.
Bad boy.
And don't ground me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about going to juvie.
Yeah, he will show. He will show you.
But no.
Guys, I know what juvie is. It is
I'm not...
it's a jail, I think.
No. Jay.
Yeah, okay.
Running from your problems just makes them worse.
Yes. What the? Okay, that's funny. Okay, guys, bye.